Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about Assistive Touch for the iPad. And Assistive Touch is a powerful built-in accessibility feature that's available on Apple mobile devices, so iPads and iPhones. And Assistive Touch was designed to help individuals with fine motor difficulties to ensure that they can successfully access and utilize their devices. So what Assistive Touch really is, you guys, to sum it up, it's an alternative way to access menus and controls. So things that may have required pressing a button, like adjusting the volume level or accessing the home button or taking a screenshot, that can be difficult, they can do the same things by using Assistive Touch. And the same goes for gestures like swiping down in order to access the control center, the notification center, spotlight, speaking screen. Those same things can be done through using Assistive Touch. Like I said before, it's very powerful. It can truly help individuals be more independent when they're using their device. I'm going to add in one more layer here. It can also help in some other ways as well. I utilize Assistive Touch and I have it on for both of my mobile devices. I use it to help provide me with some shortcuts. Instead of going through settings for things that I utilize all the time, like the control center, etc., I have Assistive Touch set up for that. I also utilize it as kind of a pointer system. So when I'm projecting or presenting or doing screen recordings, I can use my Assistive Touch button to help others follow along on my screen. So now we've kind of gone over the purpose of why we might utilize Assistive Touch. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to customize Assistive Touch. So let's get started by going to Settings. We're going to come down on the left-hand side until we find Accessibility. I'm going to show you what I meant by using it as a pointer system. So I'm going to take my Assistive Touch controller. I've already turned it on. I'm going to show you where to go here. You're going to come right here to Accessibility, and then you're going to come over to the Physical and Motor category and come to Touch. Select that, and up at the top we're going to go to Assistive Touch. And what we're going to talk about today is this customized top level menu. And what you're going to see here is you can customize this according to what you or your students' needs are. So let me show you what you can do. You can have up to 8 different icons here. You can go all the way down to 1, again, according to need. And we're going to go back up here and show you how it works. So when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and tap any one of these plus signs. And again, I hope that after this video, you guys will want to go through and kind of check out all of these cool features to see how it matches some of your student needs. I'm going to go ahead and add a few here. Once you have it the way you want it, you'll come back and select another plus sign. And I'm going to keep going through here until I have the ones that I want to show you. I'm adding now one that's frequently requested is people will tell me that, boy, volume up and down is really difficult for my students. So I'm going to add that one. And again, you can customize it according to what you need. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So I've got my Assistive Touch controller here, and let's say that I want to go to my main page and get to an app. So if pressing that home button is difficult, I can use my Assistive Touch here, tap it, and select home, and there we go. So I want to show you one more example. Let's say I want to get to the control center, but again, swiping down is difficult for me. I can select my Assistive Touch, and I can select Control Center. And what's great about this too is, as your students are using apps, and if this kind of gets in the way, they can simply just slide this over to another area of the screen. So I've shown you how to enable and customize the Assistive Touch built-in accessibility feature on the iPad. I hope this was helpful and it inspires you to go on in and check it out and see how it can help your students. Thank you so much for watching.